Now, the actual link building part of link building is probably the hardest part of SEO. So I'm going to show you the easiest ways that you can put your link building socks on and start building quality and relevant links to your website. First of all, I want to introduce you to the backlink blacklist, which allows you to check if a site is worth getting a link from or not. You can see exactly why a site is blacklisted, like if it's sold in a cold outreach email, and also see the screenshot, or if it's publicly sold on Fiverr, for example, along with the screenshot of the gig. You should make the backlink blacklist part of your link building process to help make sure you're only building links that help you. So let's talk about my favorite link building strategy of all time. That strategy is competitor backlink analysis. Basically, we're just looking at which links are powering the search results right now, and then trying to get those same links for ourselves. In fact, I built a special sheet that analyzes your competitors' backlink profiles and then spits out a plan of attack, which tells you which links you should replicate first, whilst also filtering out the links you should avoid. If you want to learn more about the competitor backlink analysis strategy, you can check out my dedicated tutorial, which steps you through the theory and the process in much more detail. Or you could head over to my SEO portal, which shows you more than 20 different link building strategies that you can use alongside competitor backlink analysis. But let's take a closer look at 4 of them. First is event link building, which shows you some different searches that you can use to find events that are willing to link to you. It costs nothing to set up, and you can partially automate the process. Next, you might want to consider testimonial link building, which is a great way to get powerful homepage links simply by telling the products and services you use every day what you think about them. You can also leverage podcasts to build high-end links nearly on autopilot by using my podcast jacking strategy. This leverages the basic fact that podcasts need guests and guests need links. So once it's set up, you'll get booking requests direct to your inbox every week. One of the other link building opportunities that many people overlook is with crowdfunding sites. This is a great strategy because it's simple, budget friendly, and takes no time at all to set up and partially automate. Feel free to check out the dedicated tutorials for any of those link building strategies on my SEO portal, which also includes links to additional link building training and the backlink blacklist we talked about earlier. Or you can just take the hard work out of link building altogether by using the links that rank service to build all of the links that you need to close the link gap on your competitors.